Now coming to Windows machine once again. So I'm going to show you another software which you can download, which is, you type in putty. You can download it from here. By the way, if you have already downloaded putty gen, then you don't need to download it once again. You can simply type putty, go to putty here, and it will open, right? So let me show you how to connect. So I'm going to copy this public address from here, copy it, paste it here. I can save this any name, or I can say demo putty use, right? I can save it for future use. I can go to SSH auth, click on auth, browse that ppk file path. I'm going to browse. So I have imported this file here. Again I will go to session, click on open. Make sure that port number 22 is selected, SSH is selected here. Open, click on accept, and as I mentioned earlier, the password is login as, we are going to log in as ubuntu because I have used Ubuntu machine. Yeah, if you have noticed, now we have connected ls-l, or I will try to increase the font size from here, change settings, appearance. From here I can change the font size so that it is visible to you. Clear ls-l, right, mkdir test vi test file, test file. You can see that test directory, test file have been created here. I can use cat test file. You can see this is the content which I typed a while ago. So using this process, you can easily connect to AWS EC2 instance from Windows or Linux.